It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! Oh, in the name of God!
Welcome back to the channel. New bike day. Mongoose Blackcomb, full suspension, $353. Get ready to get this built up. Put on a timer for you all. It was very well packaged. Put together well, easy. Assembly was very simple. Basically, you got to put the handlebars in or on. Make sure they rounded correctly. Of course, I had to fiddle that a little bit. Seat post and your front tire. That's it. And bike was put together. Took me all of 23 minutes. And I had some little pauses in there where I did other things, talked on the phone, probably. I don't know. But yeah, 23 minutes. And I'm not an expert at all, but if you're not familiar around bikes and everything, I guesstimate anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour, you can be riding and enjoying the bike. It's very well put together, in my opinion. Looks well put together. We'll find out when we do the ride review. Everything put together quickly. After this video, what I'll do is, because when you get a new bike, a lot of times those brakes are going to need to be adjusted. It's just one of the things that happens when you have a big box. If you get a bike, if you have a bike that's bought from the store or online, a higher end entry level bike, it's already going to be tuned to your specifications and set for you. Not going to be a lot to do, but yeah, really easy put together. Look forward to the next video. Definitely subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn on notifications. Enjoy this. Next coming up, I'll show you how, when you do purchase a new bike, to actually upgrade, or not upgrade, but to, get your your disc brake set, so you'll be all set. All right, everybody have a wonderful, blessed day. Hasta luego. Deuces out.